we are going to do preparation method of alcohol. Some methods we have already finished. Now in today's class we are going to do preparation of alcohols by carbonyl compounds and with the help of Grignard reagent. This is very interesting as well as important reaction. So we will see how carbonyl compounds can be used to prepare alcohols with the help of Grignard reagent. Now let us take example of a carbonyl compound C double bond O. Okay, we take common. Just now we are taking a common reaction. Maybe aldehyde, maybe ketone. Both can react. Aldehyde or ketone. Okay. Now when they react with Grignard reagent, that is RMgX, then in the first step what happens, because R is negative in case of Grignard reagent and metal part is positive, here oxygen is negative and carbon is partial positive. So the negative part will move to the positive carbon and the positive part will attach to the negative oxygen atom, and the intermediate will be formed as C double bond will break, O is here, this O will bond with MgX, this R will be shifting heat. Okay, so this will be a intermediate formed. Then on hydrolysis, this intermediate will result in forming C R OH, this O will have H plus MgXOH will be formed as byproduct. This is a common reaction in which a carbonyl compound is reacting with a Grignard reagent to form alcohol. Now in this reaction we will see that how the use of a different carbonyl compound can result in the formation of a different alcohol. Now let us start with the use of formaldehyde. If we take formaldehyde as the starting material, C H double bond O plus Grignard reagent CH3 MgBr. Okay, in the first step again negative, positive, negative, partial, positive. This will form the intermediate CH. CH3 will come here and O will bond with MgBr. In the next step on hydrolysis, this is going to give CH3OH plus MgBrOH as byproduct. Now you can see that the product which is formed is CH3CH2OH, that is ethyl alcohol. Now the carbon atom which is bearing the functional group is attached to only one carbon atom. That means this is a 1 degree alcohol. Okay. So when we had used formaldehyde as the starting carbonyl compound, then with Grignard reagent we have obtained a 1 degree alcohol or a primary alcohol. Now we will see another reaction in which instead of formaldehyde we are using C double bond O CH3. Acetaldehyde we are using. When acetaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent CH3 MgBr. Then again charge separation, partial negative, partial positive, partial positive, partial negative, and movement will be to C and to O. Then it will give CH, CH3. Already H and CH3 were there with it. One more. This CH3 will attach here. Okay. Then this double bond is single now. O, and with O there will be MgBr. This is a intermediate which is formed. Then this intermediate on hydrolysis will give CH, CH3, CH3, OH plus MgBr, OH as byproduct. Okay. Now we can see that this carbon which is bearing the functional group OH is attached to two more carbon atoms. Hence this is a 2-degree alcohol. Okay. That means when the starting material is ethanol, the alcohol which is obtained on treating with Grignard reagent is 2-degree alcohol or secondary alcohol. Now let us see if we use a ketone molecule, then what happens. So in the third reaction we are using a ketone, that is C double bond O, CH3, CH3. Okay. When this ketone reacts with Grignard reagent CH3 MgBr, then in the first step again partial, positive, negative, negative, positive. Negative comes to positive, positive goes to negative, and we will have CH3, this CH3 and one CH3 from Grignard reagent. Double bond is now single and MgBr is attached to O, which on hydrolysis will give CH3, CH3, CH3 and OH plus byproduct MgBrOH. Magnesium will make two bonds. Okay. So this, the carbon which is bearing the functional group is attached to 1, 2 and 3 carbons. Hence this is a 3-degree alcohol. So ketones on treatment with Grignard reagent give 3-degree alcohol. Okay. So after seeing all three reactions, we can summarize it as follows. That formaldehyde plus Grignard reagent will give you 1-degree alcohol. Okay. Acetaldehyde plus Grignard reagent will give you 2-degree alcohol, and ketone plus Grignard reagent will give you 3-degree alcohol. Okay. So this is the conclusion of this reaction. Okay. Now, it's not so that if we had used acetaldehyde, then we were getting a 2-degree alcohol. Other than acetaldehyde, also if you are using any aldehyde, let us take example CH3, CH2, CHO. Now this is propanol. If we take propanol, then C double bond O, H, CH2 and CH3. When this reacts with CH3, Mg, Br, Grignard reagent, then also in first step what is going to happen? Partial negative, partial positive, negative and positive. Okay, this will go to negative, this will go to positive, and this will be CH, CH3, CH2, C, this H is here, this CH3 is here, and this O, MgBr will come this side, which on hydrolysis will form CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, OH. This OH will be formed plus MgBr, OH as byproduct. In this case also, when we have used propanol, then also we are getting a alcohol H group. The carbon atom which bears the alcoholic group or functional group is attached to one and another second, 2 carbon atoms. So this is 2-degree alcohol. Okay. So if formaldehyde is used, we are going to get 1-degree alcohol. If ketone is used, we are going to get 3-degree alcohol. Other than this, if any other aldehyde is used, then the product which we are going to get is 2-degree alcohol. Maybe ethanol, maybe propanol, maybe butanol. Okay. So this is one of the preparation methods of alcohol by carbonyl compounds with Grignard reagent.